Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, happy 11th of December, it's creeping along. So, 24 days of Christmas crafting. Merry Christmas! 4+ ages. So let's see what number 11 has in store for us today. So where is number 11? 11. Oh, number 11 is there. Right on Santa. Is this the right one? Let me have a look. Oh, it goes round there. It's only a smallish one, this one. So we will see what we have in. Oh, it's only a very small one. Ooh, what have we got in this one? Oh, quilling papers. Wow, that is a lot of quilling paper. My goodness me, check there's nothing else there. Okay. Wow, look at that. The colours are absolutely stunning. Oh, look, gold, red and green. So my Christmas palette is, colour palette, sorry, is gold, red and green. Oh no, have we got silver there? No, it is just the 3 colours. I mean, I'm saying that the quilling papers, you don't have to use them as quilling papers. You could literally use these for anything. Gosh, you could do the Christmas tree thing where you sort of like do one at the bottom and then get them smaller and smaller and smaller and make a Christmas tree from them on a card. You could use them as paper chains as well. You know, oh right, so they're only small. I don't even know whether I've still got my quilling tool left. I think I have. And quilling is literally where you roll it up into a very tight like scroll and then you can shape it and you make different shapes out of things. But they're very pretty. Or you could just literally stick them, quite big actually. Probably need to cut them. If you cut them in half, see what size are we? Yeah, you could cut those in half and make them into paper chains. They're not too small. Yeah, that's fine. That would make a paper chain. And then you can put paper chains all around the house and go alternate red, gold and green. Okay, let's see if we can get a red one out without... I don't really want to unravel them all because it will take me forever to put them all back. Gosh, it's years since I've made paper chains as well. Oh, are they all fastened? They are. They're all fastened at the end. So they're definitely quilling papers because they're all like fastened with a little bit of glue at the end. So we've got gold and red and green. Let's see if we can just get a gold one. The gold one should be a bit easier because that's right in the middle. Sorry, right at the end. Just fold the greens back in there. Okay, so this one should... Oh yeah, it's just pulled out, look, so that's good. Okay, so you've got that. You can do your paper, let me grab a pair of scissors. You can do your paper curls as well. So if you just use your back of your scissors and just run it along. I'm sure we've all done this several times as well. And just get them nice and curly at the ends. Oh, they're not bad. They're, because I think they're like a foil, they look a little bit sort of glittery, but there's no glitter on them. It is just all encapsulated in the paper. It's the colouring on the paper. So if anybody doesn't like glitter, you're definitely going to be able to use these. Yeah, you can get quite a bit of curl on them. Okay. Just do it in smaller sections. Yeah, that's curling nicely. It's years since I've done this as well. Do you know, I'm quite enjoying this advent calendar purely because I'm getting to do things that I've not done for such a long time, you know, all the older crafts. I used to run an after school club crafting, and we used to do all things like this because it's something that children can do quite quickly and easily and pick up, and it doesn't matter if you're not real artistic, you can still do all these sort of things. And yeah, we just used to have an awful lot of fun. So yeah, you can use them as like paper streamers or whatever you want to do. We did get our, I mean, I'm just thinking the pegs actually, they would be quite a nice decoration if you put your paper streamers, put one of each colour. Let's just do the green one as well. They should all curl the same. Just a case of breaking the fibres in the paper really and getting them to curl. Yeah, because it's been made so that it's straight. It's similar as, say, when you do paper quilling, you're more or less doing the same thing, but you're just oops, let me just pop that one in there. You're doing it a lot tighter. I'm just thinking if I've got my quilling tool anywhere. I'd be able to find it. But yeah, you could use these, paint these, or you could even cover this. It's more or less the same width. You could cover your peg in your colour there, and then just have them hanging. They'd be quite nice if you put in them as card holders. I actually hold my Christmas cards up on like a lighted up string, and it has pegs on it. Not these pegs, they're actually see-through pegs so that the lights shine through them a bit more. But yeah, you could hang your Christmas cards up with this and just make an extra little decoration. Or if you've got a picture you want to hang on the wall, maybe that one of the kids has drawn or something, then you could just do this. So, let's just pop that in the middle. You could fasten them or whatever, but you've got quite a nice little decoration there just to use. Yeah, that's quite pretty. You could put your buttons on here as well. You've got red, green and yellow buttons, so you could put a red button, a green button and a yellow button going up there and just give you a little bit of a decoration. There's always some sort of use for red, gold and green, particularly at Christmas. Your little bits of paper, or if you've got a card, they're great as a card border. You know, if you've got a card and you've just got a little bit of extra space and you think, what can I put in there? You could just put a little bit of a strip of like a border on your card. Nice size those as well. So yeah, okay, well, I quite like those. Again, everything's like 50p an item, isn't it, that we're looking at as we're going through this advent calendar. So yeah, I think if I saw those amount of quilling papers in a shop, particularly when they're like the metallic glitter style, for 50p, I would definitely buy them, because quilling papers can be quite pricey. And yeah, they are sort of stuck at the end so that you've got them, so you can just pull them off and use them one at a time, which is even better. Stops them from getting all creased or whatever, keeps them all in a nice little bundle. Okay, right, let me just pop that back around there while I'm thinking about it, so that it does keep them in a nice little bundle, because you know what I'm like. Actually, these would be quite nice on your little wooden ornaments that we got the other day as well. Yeah, you could use these on your Christmas tree. Look, put them across your Christmas tree. You could put the red one way and the green the other, and just use them as like garlands on your tree. Or you could even, if you wanted to, put them red, gold and green across your tree. Just cut them out into the different sizes. Okay, well, thank you for coming along and having a look at this with me. If you've enjoyed looking at it, thumbs up, always much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. And if you would like to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So 12th of December, we're nearly halfway there. Goodness me, another 12 to open on the advent calendar after today. Wow. Okay, so Merry Christmas, 24 days of Christmas crafting. Let's see what the 12th of December's brought us. So we've got some wonderful quilling papers yesterday. So what has number 12 got in store? Let me see if I can find it. 22, 17, 18, 20, 10, 14, 12. Oh no, it's right on Santa's face. So let's see where we end up here. I'll put some little, oh, okay. Oh no, it's not quite his face, it's his ear. It's his left ear. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. What's this then? Right. So let's have a look. We've got a toothpick. Okay. Are we doing some tea bag folding? Are they the little square pieces of card? Let me see. What have we got? Oh, I wonder if that's for the quilling. That could be for putting your quilling round. Maybe this is too. Oh. So. Oh, I know what it is. Just thinking, why have they got coloured edges? I bet these are scratch things. Yes, they are. Ooh, so we've got our little toothpick. So we can go. Yeah, it's a scratch. Wow. Oh, look at that. They're only very teeny tiny, but you can actually, yeah, see the colours coming through there. Some of them are a little bit battered on the edges, but that's fine. But, oh, wow. Ooh, that's quite a nice kit. I was thinking maybe, you know, we got the quilling papers yesterday. I was thinking maybe that was for wrapping the quilling papers round, but no. So you could do all your little decorations on this. The children can either write the names or Merry Christmas or draw a little Christmas tree. What can we draw? Let's draw a little dog. Quite difficult actually holding this for big hands. So we start off, did you ever do this look where you do a little nose and it's a little girl and she's got her hands behind her back. Okay, and she's stood in a garden and she's got flowers growing in a garden there, and there's a mountain in the background with caves. Okay, and the caves go a long way back, so we've got those, and then she's got going home and she's having sausages for tea. It's a long time since I've done that as well. Look, that was a little thing that we used to do for drawing a little dog's face. Just tell a little story and draw a little dog. Oh, there's some lovely colours on that though. Look, it's sort of like going from reds to pinks, and then we're going down purple, blue, turquoise. Let's just see what's at the bottom. Let's give it, yeah, it's like a paler blue. Oh, and we've got a little bit of like a paler green and a lemon at this side as well. So yeah, like those. Oh wow. So you get 5 of them and your little cocktail stick, which actually, I mean, I know that that can be quite sharp, a cocktail stick, which again is probably why it's 4+, but I can't think you're going to do a huge amount of damage with that. It's not like giving them a pokey tool or a pair of really sharp tweezers or anything, is it? But obviously supervised kids, you know what they're like, go around. Probably ends up you being stabbed with them if it's a child. Well, maybe that's just me then. Okay, well, I think they're pretty good. Again, I think for 50p. I do think actually that they'd probably be quite good again to go in a cracker for next year. This is what I'm sort of thinking. Some of the ones that are like little bits of craft and little bits, I might just put in crackers next year. So hopefully everybody will have forgotten about this video by next year. So when it comes round to me actually doing this, doing the crackers next year, then they won't remember what's in them. So I'll pop those away carefully because we don't want to scratch any more off. But yeah, that's great fun. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. Do you draw dogs like that, or is it just me? Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at it, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.